Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, we have given one subtraction and from the above table, we have to find the values of A, B and C. Okay. Here we have given 6, 9A minus CB4 is 144. Okay. Now, firstly, from the units place, to get 1, take A equals to 5. So that 5 minus 4 we will get 1. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. So take B equals to 5. And to get 4, we need to take C equals to 2. Hence, so the subtraction will be like 6, 9, 5 minus 2, 5, 4 is 4, 4, 1. Hence, A is 5, B is 5, C is 2.